Hi friends, welcome back to the vlog. I thought I would take you along for a few days in my life living on a cruise ship. Oh yeah, if you're new here, that is where I live and work and sleep and eat and do pretty much everything. I am a singer here on board and I am currently on Freedom of the Seas for the next 4 months. I came outside to go on a walk. You might not be able to hear me because there's a helicopter. We are supposed to be at sea today, but we're doing a heli evac right now, so we've been kind of like anchored for a little while, pretty much all morning. It's 12 o'clock now, and the helicopter is just arriving to heli evac somebody off of the ship, which is really scary. I hope that everyone's okay, but most of the deck is kind of blocked off, so I can't go all the way around, and there's just a lot of guests everywhere, so I might nix the walk on the open deck today and go do something else. I think I'm just gonna go grab lunch really quick in the mess, and then we'll see what happens later today. I don't know what the plan is. Yeah, I've never experienced this before. A little bit scary. Yeah, I hope everyone's okay. Okay, I just finished my lunch. Sitting outside on one of the crew decks, sitting next to this life ring and these life rafts. My kind of like initial thought for this vlog was just gonna be to share like a few days in my life, but also kind of getting back into a little bit of a routine. I feel like I've just kind of been like all out of sorts lately, like really unmotivated and kind of like lazy, to be honest. And I think sometimes it can just be hard to get on like a schedule when you work on a ship because our itinerary changes, you know, we're in a different place every day, so the schedule changes. And then also, since it's September, which is crazy, it doesn't feel like September because we're in the Caribbean and it is still really hot out, coming up to the end of the year, which is crazy. And I kind of just want to touch base with my goals that I set at the beginning of the year, see how I'm doing on them. I'm a little bit nervous to see where we're at. Before we do that, I do have dance class. We do a dance class once a week, and it's for the dancers, but the singers are welcome to come. It's my one time a week that I get to dance, and so it's really nice. Today's a ballet class, and I haven't done ballet in a minute, so we'll see how it goes. Oh no, I'm scared. This is our teacher for the day. What if we pretend like I have shoes under mine too?
Guys, I'm really quite terrified because number one, look at Manny right now. He's got a cane and he's gonna whack me. And number two, I can't do ballet. Exactly, it's a sign. It's telling me to leave. Please send lots of help. And Krista, please put this in time lapse or cut me out of the frame. Thank you.
Time lapse. Let's do it. Let's do time lapse. After dance class, I was feeling very energized, so I decided to do some laundry, which on a sea day is pretty brave because it's usually packed, but I did get 2 machines, so that was lucky. Laundry is free for the crew, you just have to provide your own detergent. Unfortunately, I live at the back of the ship and laundry is at the front, so it is a little bit of a trek, but we got it done. And then I got back to my room and I was feeling motivated to clean up a little bit, so I decided to organize my closet and just clean up a few things. So I cleaned up my room, I showered, and kind of just got ready for the rest of the afternoon. It's time to do my little goal check-in. I'm a little bit scared. I haven't done a check-in since the beginning of July. I'm looking here on my Notion, and I had a lot of like smaller daily goals that I wrote down at the beginning of the year, but I just wanted to check in on like my 5 big ones for the year and see how we were doing. So Let's check. Okay, goal number 1 was to read 24 books, and I am on track with this, which I am very proud of myself because I have set reading goals in the past and just like haven't hit them, but this year I was very adamant that I would read 2 books a month, and I am on track. So yeah, I feel good about it. If you want to see what I've been reading, you can follow my Goodreads. I think my Goodreads name is just Krista Jocelyn. So that goal we are doing well on. Okay, goal number 2 was to restart learning Spanish. And I say restart because I have started and stopped many times. And I did that at the beginning of the year. I started and stopped. But recently I have started up again with the help of Lingopie, who is the sponsor of today's video. So one thing about working on a cruise ship is almost everybody speaks at least 2 languages, their native language from home and then English. And it is so inspirational to see and has motivated me to want to learn a new language. And I've asked a lot of crew members how they learned a second language, and the number 1 answer I get is by watching TV shows and movies. And Lingopie lets you do just that. So here's how it works. You can browse their content library of over hundreds of TV shows and movies, including Netflix options. And then what I like to do is put on the dual subtitles so I can read the English and the Spanish at the same time, since I'm still a beginner. You can then click on words that you don't know, which will then give you a definition, and then it'll instantly get added to a flashcard deck that you can go back to later and study when you're done watching, along with built-in quizzes and other fun games. Another cool feature that I really like is on each show there's a label that says where it was filmed. So say I want to learn Spanish, but I want to learn the slang and accent from Mexico or Argentina, I can choose shows that were filmed in those places. If you want to learn a language and have fun doing it, give Lingopie a try. You guys can get a 7-day free trial and 73% off of their lifetime plan at the link in my description. Okay, goal number 3 was to have a certain amount of money in my savings account, and I don't really want to share how much is in my savings, but I can say that I'm only $3,000 away from it, so I know that by the end of this contract I will definitely hit that goal, which is so exciting. Goal number 4 was to travel to 3 new places this year. We will be going to 3 new places on this itinerary. We will be going to Haiti as long as things get better there. We were originally supposed to go there earlier, but because there was like civil unrest, I don't know exactly what was going on, it just wasn't safe, so we haven't gone yet, but they're thinking that we'll maybe be able to go in like October, November, so we'll see. And then I have gone to Jamaica. That was new for me, and I have enjoyed every single time that we go to Jamaica. It's really beautiful there. And then the last place, which we haven't been there yet, is going to be the Dominican Republic, which I'm very excited about. I've heard that there's a lot of like cool hikes and waterfalls and things, and I don't know how many times we go, hopefully more than once, but that will be new for me, so I'll get my 3 new places in by the end of the year. Okay, goal number 5 was to not drink alcohol for at least 1 week per month. At the time that I set this goal at the beginning of the year, I feel like I was drinking a lot, like whether it was just like 1 glass of wine a night, I feel like I was having something almost every single day. And so when I set this goal, it was very much intentional to drink less, and I felt like 1 full week of not drinking was a good goal. I think I had seen someone do it on TikTok or something. Once we got to rehearsals in June, I basically stopped drinking. I didn't completely not drink, but it was way less than I had been at the beginning of the year, so I kind of fell off on paying attention to this goal, I guess, because I just wasn't drinking as much. And even now that we're on board, I'll sporadically have a drink here and there, but definitely have lessened the amount of alcohol I've been drinking since being here. And I know I said I was gonna do 5 goals, but I actually have 6 written here. The last goal was to have 100,000 combined following. Does that make sense? Honestly, at this point, I would really love to just hit 100,000 on YouTube. That has kind of become the main goal, which I'm still quite far away from it, but you know, you have to have goals. So right now I'm at 87,000 total between my Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, so we are almost at this goal, but like I said, I would love to have 100,000 on YouTube. Okay, I feel pretty good about these goals right now. I can't believe it's September, only 4 months, right? September, October, November, yeah. I don't know. Only 4 months left in the year, which is crazy. This year is going by so fast. We just calculated that we only have 16 cruises left here on Freedom, which actually makes me really sad. That's not a lot, and I have been loving this experience of being a singer. I love our shows. I don't love the itinerary as much, but I have been loving like the schedule that we're on, and I love the people, and it's just been a really good time. And so to think that we only have 16 cruises left, 16 weeks left, is a bummer, but it is what it is. But anyway, so I think I'm just gonna edit and hang out for the rest of the night, and so I will see you tomorrow. went to the snack shack instead of like one of the buffets, I guess, just to get something small. And we just popped off the ship for a little swim and lunch. It looks like it's gonna rain. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh, yeah, we have the whole day off. So normally we do a farewell show, but it was canceled because they had to mix around some of the entertainment this week. So we have the whole day off. I'm the supportive mom that just sits and watches. I really don't want to play. They tried to get me, and thankfully someone else volunteered. I hate volleyball.
You gotta.
Perfect day at CoCo Cay.
And then it'll be good. Whoa!
Hi, Krista's channel. That was the shark, and Krista was too scared to chase it, so I just chased down the shark. This is CoCo Cay.
Okay. Look at what reading a few shots. Tell me what it is, Jefferson, what to do with the shark? Robots. Robots? They're all fake. It's a fake island. Robots just turn to be here the whole day. And the robots are all fake. Robot, the shark, the shark. Yeah. Day off! Good
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. I do that, we'll find you. We'll track you down.
And bring you to Royal
Like and subscribe. I hope the shark subscribe.
Okay, we're back on board from what would have been a perfect day at CoCo Cay, but wasn't because Robert's shoes got stolen. Somebody stole Robert's shoes, so he's going back to the ship barefoot. They were literally in between our chairs, and somebody just took them, I guess, because there was like almost nobody left around us, so really weird. I guess we'll have to get him a new pair of Crocs. Speaking of Crocs though, I did get a pair of Croc sandals. Let me show you. And I'm honestly like obsessed with them. I think that they're so cute. I needed something that I could wear to like the beach and like something that could get sandy and wet, but that wasn't my, because I have my pink Crocs too, but I wanted like a sandal version, and these are so comfortable. I can walk so long in them, and I like that they have the like wedge, I guess, to add a little bit of height. So comfy, so cute. I'm obsessed with them. Honestly want more pairs. I want different colors. So we'll have to make a trip to the Croc store anyways because Robert needs new ones. Like I said earlier, our farewell show isn't happening tonight because the entertainment just kind of got moved around this cruise, so we're pretty much off for the night. I am going to shower all of the salt water and ocean off of me now, and I need to film a couple things for YouTube stuff and just kind of chill the rest of the night. So I think that's where I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. It means so much to me. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Like and subscribe.